Once upon a time, in a coastal village, there was a fisherman named Arun. He was known for his hard work, perseverance, and determination. Every day, he woke up before dawn to cast his nets into the sea, hoping to catch enough fish to feed his family and sell at the market. However, the sea was not always generous, and some days his catches were very small, barely enough to cover his expenses. Despite the challenges, Arun never lost hope. He would rise early, no matter the weather, and head out to sea with the same enthusiasm as the day before. Over time, the villagers began to notice. Some admired his dedication, while others questioned why he continued despite the tough times. "You're wasting your time, Arun," they would say. "The sea isn't always kind. Why don't you find another job?" But Arun's reply was always the same: "The sea has given me everything. I believe that no matter how tough things seem now, the right time will come. If I give up, I'll never know when the tide will turn." One season, the weather took a turn for the worse. Heavy storms raged across the sea for days on end. The winds howled, and the waves crashed fiercely against the shore. Arun's boat was damaged in the storm, and his nets were torn to pieces. He had no choice but to stay ashore and repair his boat. The villagers told him to stop wasting his time trying to fix it and to consider a different way of life. But Arun wasn't discouraged. He spent weeks mending his boat and crafting new nets. All the while, his belief in the sea and his perseverance remained strong. He knew that even when the storm seemed endless, there was always hope for calmer waters ahead. Finally, after weeks of hard work and patience, Arun was ready. The skies cleared, and the sea calmed. He set sail once again, and this time, something incredible happened. The ocean, as though rewarding his determination, offered an abundance of fish. Arun's boat was full, and he returned to the village with more than enough to feed his family and sell at the market. Word spread about Arun's resilience and perseverance. The villagers who had once doubted him now saw the power of his determination. "How did you manage to stay so patient?" one asked. Arun smiled and replied, "The sea teaches us many things. Sometimes, it may seem like nothing is happening, and it feels like we're stuck. But deep down, things are always changing. Just because we can't see the progress doesn't mean it's not happening. The key is never giving up. In the end, hard work and patience always pay off." The moral of the story is clear: never give up. Like Arun, life may test you with challenges, and thank you for watching. If the story touched your heart, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More inspiring tales and everyday life.